guys, just want to give a quick shout out. Thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we're just gonna hop right into today's video. This design is super cute. I'm gonna be using my medium square soft gel full nail covers for this video. They are back in stock. I also wanted to do a quick shout out. I do have a new nail shape added to my Etsy shop. I actually do have extra short coffin styles now, so I'm super excited about that. If you guys want to head over to my Etsy shop, the link is in the description, where you can purchase these style and you can check out the new extra short coffin. So for this video, I'm going to be going in with a milky white type of polygel today, and this is by the brand Pine. I really love this polygel because it's kind of hard to find a milky white polygel. It does take a little bit longer to cure, however, I will mention that. So if you do have this polygel, you want to make sure that you're probably doubling the time that you typically leave your hand in the lamp, because for some reason white polygel always takes a little bit longer to cure, just in general. So I'm going in with that, and I'm doing my regular method, just making sure that it's thinner at the cuticle area and applying it to my nails. I also make sure I flatten out the underside of my nails, but yeah, I'm just gonna put that in the lamp to cure. And like I said, instead of, you know, semi-curing for 15 seconds, I'm gonna do 30, and then I go in for a final cure of about 2 minutes, which is honestly a long time, but with white polygel, like I said, it just needs more time. So I'm just gonna speed it up and let you guys watch me apply these nails. It's super quick and easy. Honestly, this shape is my favorite. I love this shape. I really do. The medium square is perfect, because if you want to do short square, you know, you can always cut it down, but if you want that long shape, you can keep it a little bit more longer. So out of all the nail shapes, this one is my favorite. But I know some people like really short nails, and I also do have extra short nails in my Etsy shop, so definitely check that out if you are looking to get into it. But anywho, we're gonna get into filing and shaping our nails now. So I let all of the nails fully cure for a while, and I'm just going in with a 80/80 grit emery file and filing this down. So this is off of Amazon, and it is linked in my Amazon storefront. I will also leave an individual link below as well. I notice people don't like just searching through my Amazon storefront for a specific product, so I'm gonna make sure in all my videos I individually link what products I got off Amazon, as long as my storefront. So if you guys, you know, just want to sift through some of my nail favorites, that'll be there as well. But yeah, I always use 80/80 right now. I don't use 100/180. No, 80/80 till I die. I love 80/80 grit nail files. But I'm gonna go in now with my e-file, and this is from an Amazon seller. I will make sure to leave the link down below in the description, but I absolutely love this little e-file. It's from or the drill bit, it's from Amazon as well. I'll make sure I link that, but it's actually for like pedicures, so like, you know, your heels and everything. But I use it to make sure that my top of my nails are perfectly straight, and it works out great. Don't do it on an angle like I did it, because it came out crooked. You want to make sure when you're doing this, you're doing it head on. So don't copy what I'm doing here, because I had to go in and add some more loving. But I'm gonna go in with Beetle's gel polish. This is in the shade 340. I'm gonna be using this palette that I purchased off of Shein, and these nail art brushes that are off of Shein as well. I love the Beetle's gel polish, and even though the bottles are really small, you do get a lot of bang for your buck, because you get so many different gel polishes. And let's be real, like, how often are you going through a full bottle of gel polish? Let's be real, y'all. So they're small, they take up less space, and you get a lot more options. I've had all my gel polishes now for over like a year now, and I still haven't hit bottom. This one is honestly one of my favorites though, so I might hit bottom on this one soon because I use this for a lot of my designs. But yeah, these are linked in my storefront as well, but I'll be sure to link it individually down below in my description as well. So yeah, I'm just going in and making a quick little cute design, and I'll just sit back and let you guys watch me work. So I just also wanted to mention here really quickly that I did go in and I did a second layer just to make it more opaque so you can really see the design. Honestly, for this design, I kind of wish I had left my nails matte instead of putting a top coat on it. But yeah, I don't know. I just feel like this like matte milky white with this looks like really pretty. So I wish I had to put a matte top coat and then went in with this design. So yeah, I'm going in now with a top coat, but like I said earlier, wish I had adjusted a matte top coat and then went on top of the design. Don't get me wrong, this is cute as well, but I just feel like the matte would have really made these nails pop even more. So totally your option, all up to you. I'm going in with the Model 1's top coat. As you guys know, it's my absolute favorite. I stand by it. So I'm going in with some cuticle oil. I say this in every video. It really does not matter how cute your nails are. If your cuticles are just dry and crusty like mine currently are right now, your nails are not going to be cute. I need to go find my cuticle oil. But anyway, here are the final designs. I really wish I had did that matte. Don't get me wrong. I love these nails, but I really wish I did the matte. It would have been perfect. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Be sure to check out my description. All things will be linked down below there, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.